So I'm going to start by taking the e.l.f. poreless putty primer, and I'm just going to apply this to my T-zone, just to give me a nice overall base. Now I'm going to wash my hands and apply my contacts. These are the black ones. I think they're called Blackout, and I'll put the company like here because I've forgotten the name. We'll do a transition. So now we have our contacts in. We're looking creepy. I don't know how I feel about me with brown eyes. So we'll continue with the skin. This is also going to stay in, so I tested the face paint on the back of my hand, and it's still there. I'm going to go in over the top using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Here. I'm going to use this like flat foundation brush, and I'm just going to spray it with some setting. So some setting spray to wet it. I'm looking for that, and I'm just going to put this all over my face. So I'm going to try and set it with this translucent powder. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I'm using the Revolution Soph Extra Spice palette. It's a bit dirty. And the shade 21, which is... Okay, so now I'm going to take the Roxi Revolution palette. This is the Colour Burst one. I'm going to take this shade Red Velvet right here. I'm going to do brows and take an angled brush, the black shadow called Reputation in the Soph palette. Eyes. I'm going to tightline the waterline. I'm going to do the liner. I'm going to apply highlight. I'm going to use the mini highlighter by Ophir. It's the shade Blissful. I'm going to apply lashes and do the other eye, and I'll be right. I'm going to lighten a little bit. Okay, so now for the fun part, we're going to take the Glazed Donut highlighter by Ophir. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to outline them using the pencil liner I used earlier. Bro. So I'm going to use this Elements glitter primer, and I'm going to apply some black glitter to the centre of the lips. I'm going to take this unique MUA Lamp pH Balancing Lip Gloss. Okay, so now we're going to put on the wig and the horns and everything.